friends, welcome back to the Studio Talks podcast
with your two favorite hosts. There's me, Anasia, and my super cool partner.
Hello guys, I'm Melissa, the balancing act to my co-host. How are all our loyal listeners doing? Hope you are all healthy with thick wallets and safe internet quotas.
Exactly. It feels like age signs with we last greeted you're here. What have you guys been up to? Honestly, I just marathon watch rom-coms until I had under eyes and then lay around thinking hard. What should we talk about the next Studio Talk episode that caused a stare but still relate to currently reality?
So sorry, I was also busy observing TikTok netizens yesterday.
Wow, Melissa.
They are getting more and more. Oh wow. But amidst all this freaking worldly busyness, we still try to bring you light but meaningful conversations that will make you laugh, think, or even just smile to yourself listening to us ramble.
Well, right. Yep, right. Because at Studio Talks, the main thing is quality small talk, isn't it? We love to chat about everything and anything from one end to the other, but somehow it all connects, like tangled yarns suddenly becoming a beautiful batik.
Totally agree. Besides, small talk is like a warm up before we get into the serious topic. So you don't get shocked getting hit with heavy material right away. Think of it as audio foreplay, maybe, Anisha?
Wow, already talking foreplay, sis Melissa. But it's true. We want you to feel comfortable, like you're hanging out with friends at a cafe.
Right.
Yeah, no need to be tense, just a relax.
Exactly. And also, so we can get to know you better, our Studio Talks buddies. Who knows? Maybe someone wants to send greetings, or even invite us to collab.
Yeah.
Totally possible, guys. So don't be shy to comment later or fill out our shootout segment, or what we call SOS.
Okay, anyway, get your ears ready because in this episode we've prepared a topic that's pretty motivating but also makes you curious, granted to make you think, oh yeah, you are right.
Curious now. That's why. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned to Studio Talks. After this silly ad break, we will dive right into the main topic. Ready?
Let's begin. Okay, curious who she is and how did she study to become so brilliant? Are there any secret tips she been holding onto?
Well, Anasha, without further ado, let's welcome our amazing guest star, Kak Carol. Hello, Kak Carol.
Hello, Kak Carol.
Hello guys.
Hello, Kak Carol.
Hello Kak Carol, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Kak.
I'm so happy to be here.
Wow,
Yeah, me too.
Okay, Kak Carol, thank you so much for taking the time out of your undoubtedly packed schedule.
We cannot wait to dig into your secrets for successful studying. Sis, are you ready to share your knowledge with our loyal listeners?
Ready?
Okay, guys, let's go. Today, we have a very important topic for you students who will soon face a new semester.
Wow.
The topic is preparing for the new semester, which we will thoroughly discuss from A to Z.
Well, to make our chat more exciting and meaningful, we have a guest star whose experience is undoubtedly an outstanding student at school. Come on, let's go. Welcome, Kak Carol.
Hello, Kak.
Hello Anasha, hello Melissa. Thanks so much for having me here.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to be part of Studio Talks
Yay!
and share some useful tips for our study friends who are preparing for a new semester.
Wow, I'm so happy that Carol can be here. Surely, many of you are curious about the secret to your successful studies. Let's get straight to it. Sis, let's start discussing general study tips for the new semester. What are they, sis? General study tips for the new semester for all listeners.
Sure things. First of all, review the previous semester materials. This may sound simple, but it's very important. A lot of the new topics are actually connected to what you learned before, so make sure there's are no gaps.
Okay.
Next, get your learning tools ready. That
Okay.
includes notebooks,
Oh.
stationery, or any apps you use.
Okay.
Having everything well prepared can really help boost your motivation to study.
Wow, yeah.
And don't forget, guys, to read the syllabus or curriculum as soon as it's available.
Wow, that's right, sis. I often see friends who immediately rush through new material, even though many of them still don't understand the old material. That's really bad.
Well, this is what is often asked. After knowing the general tips, now let's go into how to take a good study strategy. Not everyone is suited to the same strategy. How about this is how to choose a good learning strategy?
Okay.
Totally agree, Melissa. Everyone learns differently.
Okay.
So, the first thing you need to do is understand your learning style.
Wow.
Are you a
Okay.
visual learner who loves cards and diagrams, or do you remember things better by listening than auditory? Some people are kinesthetic learners, meaning they are best by doing.
Oh.
Once you figure that out, build your strategy around it. For example, if you're a visual learner, use color, notes, or mind maps. If you are more auditory, try listening to podcasts or recording yourself explaining listen. And if you are kinesthetic, make studying more active, like using flashcards while moving around or teaching someone else. The key is to make your study time more enjoyable and personalized, so you stay motivated this semester.
Wow, that's a really important, sis. So, it's useless to study for a long time, but it doesn't suit our learning style.
That's right. Then make a realistic study schedule. Don't make it too busy to the point of stress.
Wow, okay.
But don't be too loose either. Allocate time for each subject,
Yeah.
and most importantly, include time for rest and refreshment. Consistency is much better than cramming at the beginning.
Oh.
Finally, prioritize is most challenging subject or those with high grades. Allocate more time there.
Oh, so awesome. So it's not just about being diligent,
Yeah.
but also having to be smart and have a measured strategy.
Yeah.
Now, when it comes to effective learning methods, what are your recommendations? Sis? This is often a struggle for Sobat Belajar too.
Of course, there are some study methods that really work. First, there's the Feynman method.
Okay.
The idea is simple. Try to explain something you just learned as if you're teaching it to someone who doesn't know anything about it. If you can explain it clearly, that
Okay.
means you really understand it. But if you're still confused, it means you need to study more.
Alright. Making a podcast, right, Kak? Explaining to the listener.
Yup, that's right, Anasha. It's similar to what we're doing now. Second, there's active recall.
Okay.
Instead of reading notes again and again, test yourself, close the book, and try to remember what you've just learned.
Oh, I see.
You can also use flashcard or do practice question. This method helps your brain remember better. And third, spaced repetition. This means repeating the same topic after a few days, then again later. So you don't just learn once and forget it. This helps your brain keep the info for a long time.
Okay.
And last one, the Pomodoro technique. If you get bored or tired, try studying for 25 minutes, then rest for 5 minutes. Do this 4 times, then take a long break. It makes studying feel easier and more focused.
Wow, those are all powerful methods. Everybody must try them. Now, this last part is often talked about this. I heard that preparation for the academic ability test or TKA will be held this year to determine to get it a national university. What are the surefire tips so you don't feel panic? Preparation for the academic ability test or TKA, and how are you preparing?
This is really important.
Okay.
First, know the materials that usually come out in TKA like math, Indonesian, English, and logic.
Okay.
That way, you can focus on the important parts. Also, try to get used to the style of the question and the time limit so you're not shocked on test day.
Oh, wow. So don't just learn the materials, but also be familiar with the form of the question.
Exactly, Anasha. Now that I'm in this grade, my schedule is busier, so I
Okay.
focus on time management. I try to make a simple but consistent study schedule. I split my time between school, practice
yeah.
question, and rest. I don't study all the time, but I try to study regularly and make sure I understand.
Oh, yeah.
I like to make summarize or small notes so I can review them easily.
Oh yeah.
I also practice with friends so we can help each other. The important things is don't stress if you are not perfect yet. Just
Yeah.
keep trying and get better step by step.
Oh, so proud of you, Kak.
When choosing is major,
Yeah.
I think about what I like, what I enjoy learning, and
yeah.
whenever the
Okay.
job in that field will help me grow.
Oh.
I also ask senior, join webinars, and try tests.
Yeah.
So don't just follow other or pick a major just because it's popular. Choose what fits you.
Wow, this is really complete, sis. Starting from general tips, study strategies, and effective methods to take or UTBK preparation. Not only does it make you smart, but it also make you physically and mentally healthy.
Okay, that's right. Thank you very much, sis, Kak Carol, for all the amazing insight and tips. It must be very useful for study friends, wherever they are.
You're welcome, Anasha, Melissa. I'm really happy to share. I hope all study friends feel more ready to face the new semester.
Okay, once again, I say thank you for you, Kak. Well, study friends, that's our chat today with our special guest star, Sis Kak Carol. The point is, preparation is not just about studying hard, but also studying smart. Know yourself, determine the right strategy, and be consistent in implementing it.
Okay, don't forget to take care of your physical and mental health. Hopefully today's podcast is useful for all of you.
Carol, we have many questions for you, and we hope you can to answer our question with the honestly response.
Benar. Right. Okay, for the first question is, what is the biggest life lesson you've learned to so far, and how has it changed you?
Honestly, I learned that everything take times, healing, learning,
yeah.
growing. Even small steps matter as long as you're moving forward. That change how I see the progress. I rush anymore. I just keep going.
Wow, this is so motivate me to know myself. It's a good to practice in every day, in our every day. Okay.
Okay.
To the second question, what is the one thing you're most proud of about yourself that not many people know?
I think I'm pretty good to make people feel comfy. I enjoy bringing positive energy and making others feel safe, even if they don't really say it.
Wow,
very
Sorry, guys.
positive.
It'll pick me. Sorry.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
It's not a pick me, okay?
Yeah.
It's not a pick me. Okay, next to the third
the third
Question.
Okay. The third question is, how do you define success and has that changed over time?
To me, success is not about just being perfect. It's about becoming a little better than even you were yesterday.
Oh.
Even just a little bit,
Wow.
that's already a win.
Wow.
I see.
Yeah,
So
okay.
motivated to me and Melissa and the listener too.
Okay. Next to the fourth questions. Okay.
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 Let's go,
The
Melissa.
who has influenced you the most in your life, and what have you learned from them?
I don't have one specific role model,
Okay.
honestly.
Oh.
But
Wow.
I do like observing people around me.
Oh, yeah.
If they have a good habit or something inspiring, I try to learn from that and apply it to myself.
Okay. Next to the fifth questions.
Okay.
What hobbies do you like? When you do them, and does it feel like self-healing?
I love gardening.
Okay, gardening. Wow.
So cool, so beautiful.
Taking care of plants
Okay.
feel peaceful.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because it's simple, right?
Okay.
But beautiful.
Betul.
Yeah.
Right, this right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Watching them grow slowly reminds me that I can grow too.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I see.
So very good and self healing
Oh, thank you,
time.
thank you.
Yeah.
I first time I'm hearing hobbies.
Hobbies.
Usually many people has listening music, watches movie, reading a book, or etc. But you have a interesting hobby, garden. Wow, it's so
It's so beautiful.
it's so
interesting.
different. It's so different.
Different.
With others. Okay. So the next questions.
Okay.
How do you divide your time when you are busy and have a tight schedule?
Honestly, I think struggle sometimes.
Oh,
But I think the key is responsibility.
Okay.
When something feels valuable, I naturally want to do it. So I try to remind myself this is worth it to doing. Yeah, don't delay, guys.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, the next question is the sixth question is, what learning method do you like to use, and does it have a big influence on your grade?
I don't follow one fixed method, but I really love studying with friends before a test.
Okay.
Like we discuss, explain things to each other.
Okay.
And that helps me understand and remember faster.
Okay.
Complete
Yeah.
with your friends.
Okay. Next to the next question. Sorry, if we have many questions.
It's okay.
Okay.
I like the question.
The next question is so easy to you. What is your favorite color?
I like purple.
Why? Why the reason? What's your reason? Okay. The reason.
I like purple since I was a kid, but lately, honestly, I've been like soft pink color, like
yeah.
pastel orange.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see.
Because they just make me feel calm and cozy.
Okay.
Okay, the next question is, what's your favorite theme or rom-coms, horror, fantasy, or each other movie, and what top 3 movie version Kakerol?
I love horror.
Wow.
I really like horror, guys.
Oh, I like it.
I
like The Conjuring, The
yeah.
Insidious.
Final Destination, maybe.
Yes.
Final Destination. Wow.
My top 3 movie.
Yeah.
Number 1 is Final Destination.
Your okay. Oh my God, it's so very so cool, right? It's the top one.
It's also Final Destination. Honestly, I am so afraid when I want to watch that, watch it. Final Destination. But I'm so afraid and so scary when I see the scene of the Final Destination on the Final Destination. Is so I see in many social media platforms. Mungkin maybe little spill of the movie.
Okay.
It is so scary for me.
Yeah.
Because I don't like horror, but you so
very
wow.
horror.
Because I think it's very interesting, right?
Right. Interesting, guys.
Yeah. And the second
Okay.
is Eiffel, I'm in love.
I'm in love.
You know?
I don't know.
Honestly, I don't know this
Oh,
movie.
okay,
Sorry,
it's
I'm
okay.
sorry.
And the three or the last is Aladdin.
I know. Okay. We have
Last
last question. Okay. The last question to Carol.
Yep.
Does your sis you have a desire to study abroad, or do you want to continue studying in Indonesia?
Okay.
Of course, studying abroad sounds exciting
Okay.
and full of new experience.
Yeah.
Right.
But right now, I still want to stay close to my parents,
Oh.
guys.
Okay.
sweet.
Wow.
So for now, I'm focusing on local option.
Oh.
Wow.
But maybe later, I'll continue abroad.
Okay.
I see.
Where you country? Where you choose the country to next, or to make your place to next to your study?
I choose German
Wow.
Why?
Why?
because it's free, guys.
Oh yeah, that's right. I see. I heard in many social media platform, but it's German. Avail to a free
College.
scholarship, right?
Yeah, scholarship, free college.
Yeah, guys.
Okay.
Okay. If you choose German, how about you, Anasha?
Yeah.
I want to choose London.
Oh.
London. Wow. Oh, United Kingdom, guys. United Kingdom, right?
Because it's in London we have to general language like English or British.
Oh, right. That's right. That's
Simple
okay.
and we know that. Gitu.
Okay. Yeah.
How about
This is
you,
a
Melissa?
general. Honestly, I have to choose two choice.
Oh
Okay.
wow.
To choose country. First, my first plan, I choose South Korea because in there's if so you have many university
Oh yeah.
Yes.
with the high score, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Like Beyonce or Case
I
or SNU. But for me, I have a struggle when we know that about the South Korea has a different language, and where
You have.
I have see in social media I don't to ini ya apa? Really I don't want to say South Korea people not to speak English, but honestly South Korean people is so little to speak English.
Oh yeah. I
So many students from many countries feel difficult, feel harder
Oh, yeah.
when they're in South Korea because they have a struggle to speak
Oh yeah.
in the language, okay.
Okay.
But to the second choice, I chose Australia.
Oh, okay.
Because for language, this is they have a to speak English, okay, to general speaking is itu, but Indonesian curriculum is in the Australian curriculum, right?
Right.
Bahasa Indonesia class.
Oh.
There's
Oh
yeah.
curriculum in Australian curriculum.
Oh, yeah.
This is so interesting for me to next my study.
Oh, like Monash.
Like Monash University, right? Okay.
Okay, all right. That is a question. We question from Kak Carol. Thank you so much to answer it.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, Kak Carol. Honestly, I'm so motivated. I'm so motivated. Your response to how does to facing in the future on the next.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kak Carol, to your
you.
time.
Thank you, guys.
I hope you get a. I hope that your dreams become true.
Thank you.
Amin. Welcome to our segment SOS. Here, every voice deserves to be heard, especially those who choose to hide behind the veil of anonymity.
Today, we are once again opening the gate to a world of secret message we never thought we had received. Every single one is a piece of puzzle, just waiting to be solved.
Yeah, from deep whispers to mind-bending question, let's dive in together and find out what they've got to say.
Let's go. Time to read those anonymous message.
Let's go. Okay guys, so we will read the SOS or short of the segment from NGL message. Okay.
Okay, I really miss you. I wish you would chat with me more often.
Who is that? Who is this? Is that?
This is not for me. Not for me.
Not for me.
Okay. Not for me. Okay.
Who is your crush? Melissa first. Yes.
Melissa first.
Yeah, someone.
Initial.
Initial.
Itu Z lah.
Itu Z. Itu Z ya.
You can guess.
God.
Can you guess it?
From itu Kak.
Oh my
Carol,
God.
Okay.
I really like Jeffrey.
I know Jeffrey Nicole.
Yeah.
So cool, right? The actress.
Okay. The next. You.
Okay, from
You,
Anastasia.
Anastasia.
Who is this? I guess. No, I like Idola F1. You know, F1 race car.
Who is he?
Who is?
Lewis Hamilton?
No. Oliver Bearman. You know?
No.
Oh, it's so cool. The London boy.
London boy, guys.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. The last from us is
I really miss you too.
okay, guys.
Okay, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Wow, time really flew by, didn't it? We have talked so much today about the what prepare do you need for the new semester. Got so many new insights, right?
Right, totally. From study tips to discussing TKA prep to starting fresh in the 2026 batch. Yeah. And the discussion was super duper fun. So, for all you loyal listeners out there, what stuck with you the most from our chat today?
Yes, that's right, guys.
Go ahead and share your talk in the comments. Who knows, maybe we'll talk about your comment in the next episode.
Okay, guys, so don't forget to follow our podcast account Radar 74 on Spotify, so you don't miss any upcoming episode.
Exactly, Melissa.
See you next time on Studio Talks. See you guys.